What you doing, Kip? What are you doing? What I'm doing? Playing around. Yeah. Do it again. Maybe make it bigger. I'm up here where I eat my lunch at Lab Powertrain Hydraulics. It's lunchtime now. Hot as hell. This is the upper floor of the warehouse.
He said, you're seeing something really interesting. You're seeing a trend where low-income buyers are purchasing homes not in low-income communities, but they're moving up to moderate-income communities.
I figured I'd take a picture of the shop and the warehouse and everything because you got a lot of things that protrude everywhere. So I figured it'd be pretty cool.
Step up into a new community. Now, ultimately, this is an early sign.
These are Meritor parts. We specialize in truck parts, commercial vehicle parts, race car parts, personal vehicle or domestic cars, and some imported trucks.
We got a fucking spot there. You're making a fucking video. I tried to shoot him over there. End of this competition. I'm on that dick. I don't have the ball.
That's one of those stubs right there. That's about 1610 series dry shaft. Working all series of components for vehicles. We have nitrogen systems available, hydraulic cylinders, hydraulic valves. We do push-pull cables. We do hydraulic pumps. That is Joey down there. Joey is our pump man. He manufactures hydraulic pumps and valves. Ben is our shipper receiving clerk. He runs this warehouse. And that's the elevator. This is the glass furnace I sit behind. And it's cold as crap up here, and this is my little office, my little makeshift office over here. And that's when I finish my lunch. My shopper technology core lead. They brought me with information. That's my guest chair right there. And that's where I eat my lunch. I'll talk to you later.